Hey guys, welcome to VideoMathLessons.com, and what we have tonight is Algebra 2 and Trigonometry 5-minute review, and it's going to take about 5 minutes here and there. Tonight we're going to talk about factoring, and especially factoring by grouping. So let's get started. So let's take a look here. So we have problems here, and it says factor, and it has a squared plus ab plus ac plus bc. So how do you know if it's a grouping problem? Well, it has 4 parts to it, and that's going to be a grouping problem. And how we do grouping is double greatest common factor. It's a double greatest common factor. So here we go. First, you look at the first 2 pieces, and you're going to look at the back 2 pieces. So that's our setup. So I'm going to greatest common factor the front. So I look at the front, a squared plus ab, and I can take out an a. And then what's left is a plus b. And then you do the back side, and you look to see the back. Now I got ac plus, don't even look at the front, ac plus bc is the back. I can take out a c, and it's really a positive c. I'm going to take out a c. And then what's left to make this is a plus b. Now, if you're doing a grouping, these two have to match. These two in the parentheses have to match. So it's another common factor. I look, what is common to both parts? Well, in both parts is a plus b and a plus b. That's what comes out. So it's a plus b. And then whatever's left, throw it together in parentheses. So it'll be a plus c. And if you FOIL this or distribute this, you will get a squared plus ab plus ac plus bc. And that's a factor by grouping. Let's try it again. So it says when factored completely, x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals one of these. It's a multiple choice. And let's take a look. So I'm going to break this down to 2 parts. So I look at the front. Now, I take out x squared. That's what comes out first. And I say, all right, x squared comes out. So x squared times x makes x cubed. And in the back is plus 3. X squared times 3 makes 3x squared. So now let's look at this one now. Now remember we said be careful. Now if I take out a 4, okay, that's common. But now I got these minus signs and I have to be careful because remember I want this back to be x plus 3. Well, if this back is x plus 3, that means when I took out originally was a negative 4. And then I look to see what's common, x plus 3. And then what's left is x squared minus 4. And it's in reverse order, but that's choice 3. And you might be like, yeah, I'm doing good. Here I go. Look at that answer. Keyword. Completely. This is a difference of squares. So on top of doing a grouping problem, they want you to do a difference of perfect squares. So difference of squares, square root the front, square root the back. So that's going to be x plus 2, x minus 2. And don't forget the front part, which was x plus 3. So I got x plus 3, x minus 2, x plus 2. And the order really doesn't matter because it doesn't matter the order here. So so it's like commutative property of multiplication. It doesn't really matter. So if I look at the choices, right, 1, no, minus. So the answer is choice 2. All right, now this is a big one here. Solve the equation. So not only am I going to factor, I'm going to solve it. So I look at the first part, the first 2. So I can take out a 4x squared. And then left over would be 2x plus 1. Nice and easy, nice and easy. Take out a negative 9 out of the back, and I get 2x plus 1 because the front and the back have to match. Take out the 2x plus 1, that's common to both. Left over is 4x squared minus 9. Very similar to the last problem. You got to break this down again. 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3. And don't forget the 2x plus 1 to start with. 2x plus 1. And this is grouping. This is factored by grouping. But now don't forget, it's equal to 0. Really, it's equal to 0. So what they want us to do is solve. So we solve each one. X equals negative 1/2. X equals negative 2/3. Excuse me, x equals negative 3/2. Sorry about that. And x equals positive 3/2. And that's your answers. X equals negative 1/2, x equals negative 3/2, x equals positive 3/2. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video, and hopefully this helped. Check out the other videos. Have a nice night.